Hello everyone, good afternoon, myself Varsha Paisane. As you can see, today I am here in the Bijasani temple. This temple is of Bijasani Mata, and actually this place is located in Madhya Pradesh, and Madhya Pradesh is also my mother's hometown before marriage. So as you can see, we are actually going upwards. On the mountain also there is one temple which also belongs to Bijasani Mata, and you can see that while going, it's very beautiful scenery we can see here. We all were really fantasized by this scenery, and right now we are going upwards. And the second occasion why we are here is that just a few days ago my brother's wedding was there, and we are here with my brother and my sister-in-law to worship the Bijasani Mata, and we have really enjoyed a lot here and worshipped the Mata already. Below there is also a temple of Bijasani Mata, but there isn't allowance of videos and photos. That's the reason I can't make you see that, because it wasn't allowed there, and I really didn't take any pictures and all. But since we are going upwards, maybe if there is allowance, then maybe I will be able to show you what's there upside. As you all can see right now, I was also going upwards, but I just get to see that how beautiful we can see from your upside. You can see all the downwards, you can even see the vehicles. I'm not sure whether you can see. Let me zoom it. Yeah, look, it was really beautiful to see it from here, and we even clicked a lot of pictures. Since we are having a lot of fun, it's really beautiful to be here and to worship the God as well as enjoy yourself from the boredom of your routine life. Let's see what we will get to see ahead. Right now I said that we just were climbing the mountain to see the temple, and right now we are present here to see the temple. So let us go ahead and see what we can see here. So let's just go. Actually, this temple belongs to the Lord. This temple belongs to Lord Datta. So let's see what inside here. So let's just do this. This is cars, and you can even see here inside that this is the temple for Lord Datta, and you can also see the architecture of this temple. You can see that this temple is very beautifully built. Well, like the ancient times, it's really beautiful, and we can also go around the temple. It's really beautiful to see. As you can see, there are trees around the temple in the circular motion, so it really seems to be beautiful. And this region is also very airful. You won't feel like hot. Temperature is not really hot and humid, even though sun is very high in the sky. It's really feeling good. So let's see that what else we can find here. This is the temple which belongs to Lord Datta. Then the next thing we can see, as you can see, this is the place where actually this temple people must have built this place for the people coming here to sit and relax after roaming so much. As you can see, sun is so hot and it's really hot here. So please come inside. These people are my family. Please do show my family. That is my brother, my Vahini, and my mother and all, my aunt, uncle. And the person, for your kind information, the person who is filming is my own father. I am really thankful to my father for doing that for his daughter. And as you can see, this place is made for us to sit and relax after roaming. As you can see, this place also have eco. Please show. Oh. Even when I am speaking, you can get the eco. So this place also has one more characteristic, that in this temple we can get the eco. Actually not a temple, but it's a place to sit and relax after roaming a lot. So for right now here, all we have is this, and it's also, you can see that surrounding is really beautiful. All the trees and all are surrounded for this temple. And look, the people are really beautiful, all my people. I'm really thankful to my family for bringing me here, and each and everyone, especially my brother. I have such a sweet brother, and just now on 27 he got married, so I wish them both a very happy married life. So thank you so much. That's all for today. Let's see if we get to know something else. We will make sure to show you. Thank you so much.